of the junction field effect transistor. This figure shows the characteristics curves of JFET. It is clear from this curve that the drain current ID depends on drain to source voltage VDS and gate to source voltage VGS. That is, ID is a function of VDS VGS. Therefore, we may write dID equal to del ID by del VDS at VGS constant dVDS plus del ID by del VGS at VDS constant into dVGS. If we look through these characteristics curves, we can find that this quantity del ID by del VDS gives the slope of the curve at any point, say P, for the particular value of VGS, while this quantity del ID by del VGS gives the spacing of the curves near the point P for the particular value of VDS at P. These quantities are not constant. These are usually evaluated at VGS equal to 0 volt and some prescribed drain voltage around 10 volt to 15 volt, that is, at flatness of the curve. Similarly, we may define the amplification factor mu as del VDS by del VGS for the particular value of ID. These are known as parameters of junction field effect transistor. The names are assigned to these parameters are AC drain resistance RD, transconductance GFS, and amplification factor mu. Let's find some detail of these parameters. AC drain resistance RD. It is the ratio of change in drain source voltage del VDS to the change in drain current del ID at constant gate source voltage VGS. That is, RD equal to del VDS upon del ID at constant VGS, or RD equal to delta VDS upon delta ID at constant VGS. Its unit is ohm. In characteristics curve, AC equal to delta VDS and AB equal to delta ID. Therefore, RD equal to AC upon AB, that is equal to 1 upon slope. The reciprocal of RD is called admittance YOS. Therefore, YOS equal to 1 upon RD. Its unit is mho. Transconductance GFS. It is the ratio of change in drain current del ID to the change in gate source voltage del VGS at constant drain source voltage, that is, GFS equal to del ID upon del VGS at constant VDS, or GFS equal to delta ID upon delta VGS at constant VDS. Its unit is mho. From characteristics curve, it is evaluated in the region where VGS equal to 0 and VDS equal to 15 volt, that is, at point P. It is also known as forward transfer admittance YFS. Amplification factor mu. It is the ratio of change in drain source voltage del VDS to the change in gate source voltage del VGS at constant drain current ID. That is, mu equal to del VDS upon del VGS at constant ID, or mu equal to delta VDS upon delta VGS at constant ID. It is unitless quantity. It can be shown from equation 1 and 2 that amplification factor mu is related to AC drain resistance RD and transconductance GFS. If we multiply equation 1 and 2, then we get mu, that is, mu equal to RD into GFS. which is equal to, if we put the value of Rd and Gfs from equation 1 and 2, then we get here mu equal to this one, and which is equal to delta Vds upon delta Vgs at Id constant. These are the parameters of junction field effect transistor.